All right, folks. So Miss Universe Jamaica, the coronation show is actually tomorrow night, Friday night at the Jamaica Pegasus. Starts at 9 o'clock. We go live a couple of minutes after that, I think 5 minutes after 9. With me, I think we have the final 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 contestants. And also Mark McDermott, who's the national director of Miss Universe JA. Morning, friend. Good to see you.
Morning, friend. Good to be here. Thank you for having me.
A little different this year, isn't it?
A lot different this year in many ways, foremost of which is we're crowning 3 title winners. It's the primary brand is Miss Universe Jamaica, but this year we've been fortunate to have acquired the franchises for Miss Grand, International, and Miss Intercontinental. So we'll be crowning those ladies and we'll be sending them off to the respective competitions.
So they're world titles also?
Absolutely, they're major titles.
Yeah.
And for us, it's what we like doing. So the fact now that we have 2 other brands added to the program means that we are spreading more of what we call the benefits to give back and work for Jamaica more.
So tell me how it works. First place is Miss Universe, second place gets the next title, third place gets
Kinda, sort of. It is and it isn't. One of the stipulations for Universe, which is our primary brand, is that, you know, there are certain ways that we have to do it.
Okay.
But it is 3 competitions within a competition,
okay,
nonetheless. So, you know, for one of those reasons, the top 6 is very, very important, because the 3 of the ladies who are not title winners have to be almost the standby representatives to represent any of the other ladies if they can't make it.
Tell me about the show overall. What else will happen at the show? Entertainment? What else?
Wayne Marshall, we're really excited about that, and some other performers. It's going to be heavily a performing show, in the sense that Wayne Marshall is there. We have Chavez as one of the up-and-coming. There's Kalia. I hope I'm not murdering her name. She is amazing. She performed on the East, which is a preliminary round to our round, and she was amazing with her Summer Body show, Summer Body song. And there is a new gentleman, Matthew Blake, who is performing too. But I think the core of the show is the fact that these ladies are going to be really battling for 3 scholarships to the University of the District of Columbia in Washington, D.C.
And many thousands US dollars.
And they're valued at $64,000 US dollars each. The ladies themselves will get Miss Universe Jamaica will get 300,000, Miss Grand will get 100,000, and Miss Intercontinental 100,000. Lots of other stuff.
Let me talk to these ladies. All right, so I feel like I'm the man who will ask them the question. I get them nervous and they don't know how to answer it. Kayla Smith, good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. Here's your question. Who is your role model and why?
My role model would have to be Ellen DeGeneres. I love the fact that she uses her platform to spread love and kindness, but most of all, her love for humans. And that's my favorite thing about her. And she uses her sense of humor to make people smile. So that's the reason why I love Ellen DeGeneres so much.
All right, let me go beside you. A little bit disappointed you never said never better. Nothing. We have 7 more chances. Contestant number 18 is Shanique Thompson. Good morning, Shanique. How are you?
Good morning.
What do you love most about Jamaica?
What I love most about Jamaica is the culture. We have such warm people. Our food is amazing. Our music is world class. So there is so much to love about Jamaica.
Still never say never better. Mark, no, man. Contestant number 19. This is Emily, right?
Good morning.
Emily's Maddison, and your question is list 3 things on your bucket list.
Well, I love cultures. So before I die, I'd love to go to Japan or South Korea or maybe even Thailand. I love being adventurous, so I'd love to skydive before I die. And I also love fast cars. So before I die, I need to drive in a McLaren P1. I'm sorry.
A McLaren P1.
Thank you.
I have no idea what kind of car that. Still no never. Hold on, folks. I'm going to get there sooner or later. I've plenty of paper though. Contestant number 20 is Danielle Reddie. Did I get that right?
That's correct.
And your question is name your favorite movie and tell us why it's your favorite movie.
Okay. I'd say I have a favorite play and not a movie.
Nothing
so I can
wrong with
tell
that.
you about
Of
that. All right,
course.
cool. So I love Right Girl, Wrong Address. It's a Jamaican play at Center Stage.
I love it because it's like a real life experience that they're telling through this play, and a lot of us can really relate to it. You know, I'm sure you can relate to it, Neville, because many people have tried to hide who they truly are, not knowing that if you come forward saying, hey, this is who I am, you can still be accepted. And I mean, I love it. Everyone should really go and watch it.
Your contestant colleagues agreed. Okay, everybody. Let me go down here now to contestant number 21, who is Khadijah Anderson. Don't?
Yes.
Hold on, Khadijah, man. We mix up. All right, so your question is, if you could be a superhero, what would your superpowers be, and what's the first thing you would do with it?
I think if I could be a superhero, my superpower would probably be to read minds. I feel like there's a lot of people with baggage and they're not really expressing it, so I'd want to use that power to help people who are unable to share what they're going through. So maybe I could be the difference to help them to speak out and be comfortable.
Righty? No, sir. It's all right. Oh, come now. I explain something. Somebody don't call my name before this down, you see? Where am I now? Hold on now. You need to calm down. There's only papers I have. Contestant number 22, Annecia East, right?
Yes.
Morning, Annecia.
Good morning.
Boy, this is interesting. Name and do your favorite dance.
Really?
Annecia said, really?
So, okay, my favorite dance.
I'll hold it for you, because we know why you drop it while you're dancing.
No, my favorite dance, one of my favorite dance will be Lebe by Ding Dong.
Lebe.
Yes.
Well?
Will I have that song play? Like, I need to...
Wait, the music?
Okay, then. Yes.
Me don't know.
Okay.
No music, you have to just dance here.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. So it go like this. Lebe, lebe, lebe.
No, man, we love it. I love it. Without music. All right, congrats, Annecia. And this is Annecia Morgan. Hey, Annecia, how are you?
Hi.
Where in Jamaica is your best place to visit, and why?
My best place to visit is Montego Bay. Yes, because it's a tourist attraction and it's pretty beautiful. It's like amazing, pretty much. It reminds me of Kingston, but a little country, a little bit. You know?
Is. Fantastic. Last one. I don't look like me, I'll get my name called this morning. I'm a fix.
And that's an artist.
Jessica. Hey, Jessica. Jessica Jeffrey. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Name your most recent, what is it, song favorite? Song? Yeah.
Okay, so I absolutely love soca music, and I recently discovered one called Splinters. Party mash up again. Hey, hey. So that's my favorite. Yeah.
Take away your dance. All right. Good luck, guys. You get the final word. Just tell me again what time, where, when, and how much.
Okay. We're Pegasus tomorrow, 9 p.m. Starts sharp. Tickets are available either online at missuniversejamaica.eventbrite.com or Fontana Pharmacies in Montego Bay, Ochiris, and Kingston, or at the Jamaica Pegasus. We have a desk in the lobby from 12 to 7 daily. Must say thanks to Breathless, one of our sponsors, to Eden Gardens, to iCool, Lasco iCool, and to our title sponsor, Island Energy Drink.
Brilliant. We have 8 girls overall. How many?
We have 24 ladies vying
fantastic.
tomorrow.
There they are right there. Fantastic. Good luck, everyone.
Thank you.
And brilliant work this morning. I love it. And with them, Mark McDermott, who's the national director of Miss Universe Jamaica. See them there on TV. We just see you know a while ago, man. Just see them there again. One more. Come on now. Yoo-hoo. Another one. Another one. Another one. All right, let me just stand up and see how long this guy lasts. Last one, no?
Yes, yes.
All right, so we've seen all 24 ladies. Good luck again.